Yeah, they're called Chuck Taylors. Chucks. You heard him call that? What's he made up for? The name. The guy who made it. Chuck Taylors.
He's back in the corner somewhere.
That's why you say you can wear your Chucks. Well, now I just taught you something.
There he comes, taxiing out. Tail comes off the ground first, and then when they reach the speed of 55 miles an hour, the main wheels come off, and he's flying. Joe's going to get into position, and he'll drop the rope out the back with the hook on the end. I think he's going to come around and go around again this next time. While we got a second, I'd still like to thank our air boss, Lisa Furman, who was also a pilot for American Airlines, current pilot, and Mark Lapusik. He's the president of the circus also. Okay, here comes Joe.
Here comes Joe Bender.
I don't see the rope out yet, but it's hard to see sometimes.
Next up, Bob Schmidl.
Coming in low and slow. Yep, the hook's out.
Can't really see it.
Here he comes. See if he can get it.
Oh my God!
Hey, he got it. There's the mailbag pickup, folks.
That's cool.
That's how they got the mail off the ground from the Army and military people back in the day in World War II. And he'd fly it over to some other place, and they'd drop the mail off and continue it to your house. And then when they came, he'll show you, you're going to drop it back. That's how they drop it. So if you're in a really remote area in the Army and you're hoping for some mail, this is how you'd get it. Plane would come flying by and it'd drop it out. And there it goes. That's a mailbag pickup and drop, done by Joe Bender. Our ground crew's going to go pick up the mail. Well, pick up the bag anyhow. There's no mail in it. Joe Bender is also a wing walker and a farmer.